Nearpod is an interactive teaching platform designed to make lessons more engaging, collaborative, and effective. Nearpod helps bridge the gap between teaching and active learning, making education more dynamic and impactful. After creating an account on Nearpod, the first step is to click on Launch the Lesson Builder. From there, we select the lesson we previously prepared using a PowerPoint presentation. Next, choose the option to upload a lesson, then select your PowerPoint file and begin the upload process. Nearpod will give you two options: upload the file as images or as a PowerPoint file. Uploading as images is usually the better choice, as it is faster and provides smoother control during the lesson. Once the file is uploaded, we can start editing by selecting a blank slide and adding activities. At this stage, you can insert interactive elements such as warm-ups or tasks, or choose to add them later depending on your lesson plan. After uploading the file as images, you can easily rearrange the slides to match your desired flow, then insert the activity in the appropriate place by editing its settings, as demonstrated in the on-screen example. This gives you full flexibility to manage your content. You can delete, add, or modify slides, and even customize the activity itself. In this example, the questions are organized, and the experience can be enhanced by adding multiple-choice questions. Students can also interact by selecting images, not just text, making the learning experience more engaging and dynamic. Additionally, you can set a specific time limit for each activity or task to better manage learning pace. Once you've finished, click Save and Exit. Next, return to the main page and navigate to the My Library section. There, you'll find the lesson you previously prepared. Click on the Teach option. You will see two teaching options: live participation and student paced. Select live participation to access the lesson link or join code. You can then share this link or code with your students via Google Classroom or Google Meet, allowing them to join the lesson easily. Now that you've shared the code, the presentation will appear on your screen, just as shown here. This is the PowerPoint presentation you previously uploaded and prepared. When it comes to the activity, you have the flexibility to view it either as a student or as a teacher. You can also start the activity at the scheduled time to monitor how students are interacting in real time. In addition, there are several useful options available, such as adding a new activity, sending an email report, or ending the lesson. For example, the drawing tool functions like a whiteboard. You can use it to ask a specific question and set a time limit for students to respond. At the bottom of the screen, you will find two main options. The first allows you to add a new activity, and the second lets you open the whiteboard, as shown. In the corner, there are also two helpful controls. The first displays the number of participants, while the second allows you to hide any slide you do not want students to see. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create engaging and interactive lessons for your students.